welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Liquid Ocelot. We are continuing the ultimatemedium.com course part. My friends, I made a mistake. This is not the topic. Sorry for that. Part 22 of 30, why sticking to a specific niche is so important even though it is not necessary. So my friends, I have already talked about it during the course that initially when you start your medium career, medium.com career, writing career, you just post regarding medium related stories. This was the best advice, the advice that I preferred for you, that you should write medium related stories. However, if you have experience in other topic, you can start on that as well. That is totally up to you, but my preferred advice was writing medium related stories, and this is how I started. However, once you are settled down, it's been 6 months, 3 months, 1 year, now you are you have an established audience, my friends. Now having an established audience means that your followers and your email subscribers on Medium, they expect a certain type of content from you on a specific topic. So my friends, if you look at me, look at my last topics: ChatGPT, ChatGPT 2, ChatGPT, AI platforms, this is artificial intelligence platforms, Google in response to ChatGPT. Then you see, you find, these are videos, these are not topic. AI plagiarism tools, you will see ChatGPT, AI medical chatbot, and so on, my friends. OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, ChatGPT. You see, what I'm trying to show you over here is not brag about what I'm writing about here. It's to show you that I have been consistently writing regarding over 80% of the time regarding ChatGPT and over 100% of the time regarding artificial intelligence. This has helped me grow my audience significantly, my friends. My audience is growing significantly, and people are enjoying my content. My followers are enjoying my content. My email subscribers are enjoying my content. They expect this from me, and this is what I'm delivering to them. So you have to take cue from me, my friends, and do exactly the same. Find and just pick the niche that you are best at and keep doing that niche, and you will see exponential growth. To be honest with you, you will become a top writer in those topics, and you will get exponential growth, my friends, on Medium. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, my friends. Part 33 is coming right up. Take care, my friends.